Have you ever looked at your sofa and wondered, how did it get so dirty? Everyday life takes a toll on your furniture. Spills, pet hair, dust, and even body oils build up, leaving behind stubborn stains. Whether it's movie night, kids jumping around, or simply relaxing after a long day, the sofas absorb everything: sweat, dust, and even allergens. To get started, we prepare our high-performance cleaning machine. We fill the tank with clean water and add a professional-grade upholstery detergent. Next, we apply the solution and use a specialized upholstery brush to gently agitate the fabric. This step is crucial as it loosens dirt, lifts stains, and prepares the surface for deep extraction. If you've ever tried to clean the sofa yourself and end up making it worse, this is why. Professional tools and techniques ensure that every inch of the fabric is treated properly. Beyond just stains, think about what's lurking beneath the surface. Dust mites, bacteria, and allergens can hide deep into the fibers. And now it's time for the real magic to happen. We power up our professional extraction machine. This isn't your average DIY rental cleaner. This machine has the power to inject cleaning solution deep into the fabric, break down grime, and then extract it all with powerful suction. This ensures that the sofa is totally cleaned without leaving excess moisture behind. Just watch as the dirt and stains are pulled from the fabric. This is years of buildup being washed away. The powerful extraction removes excess moisture, meaning the sofa will dry much faster than with standard cleaning methods. And here's why that's very important. Too much water left in the fabric can lead to mold, mildew, and bad odors. This is one of the biggest issues with DIY cleaning machines that don't have strong enough suction, leaving your sofa damp for days and even making it smell worse than before. By using professional equipment, we make sure your sofa is clean, fresh, and ready to use within 24 to 36 hours and not weeks. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing transformations. Let us know in the comments, what's the worst stain you've ever dealt with? And if you're based in Ireland and your sofa has seen better days, don't wait. Give us a call and we will give it the deep clean it deserves. And now here comes our favorite moment. This is when we take out the dirty water from the machine. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we put in the machine only clean water. So this is what came out after rinsing the sofa. Imagine what was lurking in this sofa. And just like that, this sofa has been completely transformed. No more stains, no more dirt, just fresh, clean, and inviting upholstery. Regular professional cleaning not only extends the life of your furniture, but also keeps your home healthier and fresh.